Pakistan is rich in natural resources with plenty of human talent and creativity waiting to be discovered. Perhaps the toughest challenge blocking a bright future for the country is the poor performance in education. Today, Pakistan has one of the lowest rates of literacy in the world. With less than 2 years of education, 30% of Pakistani citizens live in an extreme educational poverty. Since 1994, Reed Foundation is continuously working to combat the peril of educational poverty in Pakistan. Initially starting with only 25 children, 1 teacher, and a small classroom, Reed Foundation today manages and runs 340 schools with an ever-growing student body of 72,000 children, of which 8,000 are orphans. Reed Foundation believes in ensuring quality at all its schools for every child, and all Reed Foundation schools are geared towards achieving this goal. Our curriculum at the school ensures a thorough and activity-oriented learning process suitable for all children. However, availability of requisite purpose-built buildings, besides educational materials and qualified teachers, happen to be a major obstacle in delivery of quality education to underprivileged children. Lack of proper rental buildings in rural areas further aggravates this grim state of affairs. In recent years, Reed Foundation has been working on a dynamic program to improve physical environment at its schools. Our School Build program seeks to turn schools into places where children can feel safe to learn and play. About 200 schools have been housed in purpose-built buildings with the help of generous individuals, charities and businesses, as well as schools who share the same common goal. But many schools still operate either in shabby premises, tents, or other makeshift arrangements.
हमारे स्कूल के टोटल 2 कमरे हैं और 9 क्लासेस हैं और 150 से ज़्यादा तादाद है। यहाँ पर हमें जब बारिश होती है तो जगह नहीं होती है, क्योंकि अंदर हम सब ज़्यादा हैं क्लासेस, और वहाँ पर हम इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, दूसरे मिक्स हो जाते हैं और हमारी पढ़ाई अंदर ज़ाया हो जाती है बारिश के दिन। और उसके बाद जब धूप होती है तो साया यहाँ पर नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि यहाँ पर गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ती है। इस वजह से फिर भी हमारे पीरियड ज़ाया हो जाते हैं और हमारे तालीम पर बहुत बड़ा असर पड़ रहा है।
We invite you to join our School Build program to help us in giving impoverished and underprivileged students a chance to learn in a safe and healthy environment through construction of new schools and replacement of dilapidated structures. Your generous donation of £75,000 will allow Reed Foundation to provide 225 children with a purpose-built and SESAMIC-compliant school featuring spacious classrooms, a computer laboratory, and administration spaces besides furniture, syllabi-based educational materials, trained teachers, sanitation facilities, and clean drinking water.
मेरा नाम सईदा फ़िज़ अब्दुल्ला है। मैंने ये स्कूल नर्सरी से ज्वाइन किया और जब मैं 2nd क्लास में थी तो यहाँ ज़लज़ला आया, जिसके बाद हमने बहुत मुश्किलात पेश आई और हमारी फर्स्ट छोटी सी बिल्डिंग बनी, हमने वहाँ गुजारा किया। फिर हमारी अब अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि ये वाली बिल्डिंग बन गई है और यहाँ साइंस लैब भी है और कंप्यूटर लैब भी। मैं उन लोगों का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ जिन्होंने हमें कंप्यूटर लैब और साइंस लैब फ्राहम की।
We need financial help to build 150 schools for 30,000 children. Let's join together to provide less privileged children hope for their future with first-rate schooling. Let's become one in achieving this noble goal together.